Alright, Delta Force finally got out of preseason, and now this is the first season. We had a small battle pass for the preseason, and now we're up to season 1. So they have this way, which is nice now if you want to view the battle pass. We're going to start with the free section. So these are all free rewards. You don't have to pay for it at all. So starting with the first one, we have like a key for a toy box, and basically this season they introduced charms for weapons, so you use that, which is pretty nice instead of just crates for like other game modes. And then we got, for the next reward, we got a spray, UAV ready. That's actually a pretty well done spray. I don't like sprays that much, but that's pretty well made. Then for the operating mode, we got pack level 4. We got some armor ammo for it, which is nice. Then we got armor set again. It says open receive armor vultures. So this might be, these are new, so I don't, they're going between their things for the charms or they're for operating mode. I'm thinking these are operating mode again. Next we got gear tickets. Redeem tickets for gear. So basically in the tackle operation, you'll have tickets so you could get armor, so you can play the mode, because it's like you bring whatever armor in, and if you die, you don't get the armor back, you lose it. So you get some armor by redeeming these tickets. And then for the same mode where it's a one-time thing, if you lose your loot, you lose your loot. There's a medical pack one. Then you got your weapon upgrades, your weapon tokens. You get 6 of them in total. Then here's a free skin, the SR High Tech. I love the purple and the blue. Last time it was like fully blue with purple, so this time they switched it around for season 1. Then we got Jesters, don't mess with it. It's a pretty cool one. Then we got LAVAA Tiger Hunter, so if you like to use your vehicles, you got a tiger skin, which is pretty nice. Then we got a fancy safe box, used to access the 2x safe box collection items, Starfall season 1. So these are only going to be in the star season. So these are only special for the season we're in right now. This one is one advanced full pack, open and take all items inside, so this is like a whole armor set. Then you got a spray, which is pretty fun. Then you got pass supplies, so you just get stuff for the mode. More gear tickets. This time it's not the epic, it's just standard, so you get some tickets, so you get some armor that if you lose it when you're in the missions. Then you got murder cars, will double, which is pretty cool. And then we got another free skin. We got revolver stainless steel, pretty nice action. We got AK-12 Ice Age, is pretty cool. Then you got the AS Chanscape, which I don't really like, but if you're more a camo person, yeah, that's pretty nice. And then base weapon tokens, you'll get a total of 50 in the battle pass. Warpin times, so if you want more XP and double warpin, here you get those. You get a total of 160 Delta cards, and then you get the new operator for free, which is pretty nice because they always put that operator for free. So next we go into the Warframe special. This is the one type of battle pass you could buy. There's Warframe special and then like the other one. So this is for the Warframe special one. So you'll get 4 in total toy box things. Again, these are used to get charms in the game that just were introduced this season. You'll get a recon helicopter. Not a big fan of this one. It's just gray. This gray actually looks good. AA for, you get like a gray and black, gray and silver here. That's not bad. This actually looks good. Then you'll get Black Knight, the Warfare special. The black and gold looks really nice. And then same thing, Assault Black Knight, which is pretty cool. I think I like these better than the other ones. Then you got the IFE, this one again, which is not bad, but it's not. Then you got the Black Knight again. And then the Black Knight for that tank. And you got some armor sets. A total of 14 primary weapon tokens. The Tiger Hunter for the ATV. Doesn't look bad, actually. I'm not a big fan of the Tiger one, but it looks good on this one. It doesn't look good on the helicopter, though, in my opinion. Not bad. Looks good on this one, the IFE Tiger Hunter. That's pretty cool. Then you got the helicopter, Recon helicopter. I don't like this one at all. It's gross. Same thing for this. I don't like this. Yeah. And then you got base weapon tokens. You get 150 of that. 2 times then. And 2 times Merton. Get next match. 200 nothing. Okay. So next is the Operator Special. Is the next bundle you can buy for the Battle Pass. You get some armor packs. You'll get an armor pack. Then you'll get a helmet repair kit. So for the mode, your armor will break eventually, but you'll get 4 repair kits in total. You'll get 2 special full packs of items, armor. You'll get ammo selected pack level 5, not bad. You'll get 4 keys for the toy box for 4 charms. You get the vest repair kit, so you can repair your vest. Trading your tickets again for epic gear. Just a set pack, receive all supplies inside. Then you got a premium save box. It's only for this season only. It says 2 times save box and collection items. Then premium full set, Operator Special again. Dealing with ammo. More of the ammo. So basically just ammo for the rest of them. And then tickets. Not bad. And then we're going to go to the main battle pass. We're going to start on the bottom. We get 100 Delta tickets. Then we get this M249 stainless steel, which I love the blue and black. Pretty nice. Then we'll go with the P90 Ice Age. That's a pretty nice one. Pretty well done. Then we got the M4A1 Cobweb, which is actually a pretty nice one too. Then we got the S12K stainless steel, which is pretty nice. You got the MP5 Cobweb. You got the SV98 Ice Age, which is pretty cool. The SG552 stainless steel, which is pretty nice. Got the M249 Ice Age. Got the stainless steel here, nice. And then we got an Avatar, pretty cool. And then we got the Vector High Tech, which is the nice purple and green again. Really like this one. And then we're throwing in the. You gotta celebrate the Chinese New Year, so we're going with the M870, the Year of the Snakes. Looks really well done. The red, the gold, and then the symbol for the snake for the Year of the Snakes. I really like this one. I'm glad they're throwing that in. And then we got the spray paint Takeoff, which is pretty funny. Name card Stinger. Then we got another Year of the Snakes. We got it for the Mini 14 Marksman Rifle. Pretty nice. Then we got a calling card, Build Up. Then we got the 93R High Tech. Pretty nice. P90 Year of the Snakes, which is pretty cool. More Armor Vulture set. Then we got the QBC 95-1 East. Not a big fan of the skin. It just looks like a default one. It was way better with the Year of the Snakes. Then we got spray paint Blue Shadow, pretty nice. Then we got the AUG Hawk Enforcer, again, not that good. Then we got Jester Model Repair. Oh no, okay, lease repair it. That's pretty cool. Then we got an Avatar. That's actually pretty nice drawn. Then we got the SKS Ace. Not that good. Don't like the design. Then we got the calling card Rock Graffiti. That's a pretty nice one. I like this one. We got a name card, laid back, pretty cool. Then we got It's What It Is. I love the spray paints on it. I'm not gonna use them, but I love the spray paints. Then you got the PTR32 Ace, pretty cool. Then you got the Avatar Wing of Invention, which is nice. Then we got a free charm, not a free charm, but a charm at level 60. Ace Ride charm, pretty cool. Then we got the Con card, Wing of Invention, which is nice. We got the M481 Heavy Enforcer. Not a big fan of this one either. Got the Wings of Invention, nice card. Then we got the High. I got that one, red and black is nice. And then we get a total of 7 charm things. So you could get 7 charms, that's nice. A key. That's actually not a bad one. The SCAR Westing. And then finally, the Offerer skin. Not bad. Overall, I say this battle pass 7 out of 10. Some of the weapon skins weren't that good, but the rest of it was good. Until next time, peace out.